How to create double exposure in Canva. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create double exposure in Canva. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So first, we are going to have a blank page here in Canva, and we're going to look for a person looking at the side here in our elements section. But if you do have an existing photo, then you can actually make use of that one. I'm just gonna simply remove the background right here by editing the photo. After that, we are going to go to our um, element section again. And right here, under filters as well, we are going to use the black and white filter. So that's actually just depending on your choice. Now here in the element section, we're going to look for gradient that fades to transparent, and we're going to simply cover up the places where we want to create the exposure on. So say for example, here in the head part, we just need to be very careful in doing this process and just simply duplicate and repeat the process. Now click on all the gradient filter or element and then group them together. Now here, let's add another page and let's look for another picture. So for example, I'm gonna add some dried flowers right here. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna try to see the picture and what should be covered and what should not. So there, I'm also gonna make use of a black and white filter for this one, and then afterwards we are just going to simply repeat the process of adding gradient, and we are going to cover up all the places that we don't want to make use of in the picture. So just simply follow and repeat the process. Okay, once this is done, again click on all the filters or select all the filters and simply group them together. Okay, so say for instance I just want to make use of this specific part. Now I'm going to simply download the second image by clicking on share download, and I'm gonna use the PNG for this one. Now go to the upload section and upload the file or the second page. Okay, now what we're going to do next is we're gonna put it right here, and we're going to resize it and place it accordingly. Okay, so this is not the perfect or the best one that you can actually create, but you will see in a while how it will create an exposure. Now what we can do is to reduce the transparency. Okay, there. Now what we can do next is we can simply download the photo, and we're going to go to the first page. Now let's upload the first page this time. And then after downloading, we just need to drag the picture and resize it accordingly. Let's edit the photo and let's adjust the brightness, the contrast, and also the saturation. So when you are editing it, make sure that the brightness is lesser, contrast and saturation should be higher. And there you have it, we have created a double exposure. Hope you find this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching.